How to create test order in Shopify. First, we will do a test order by using Shopify Payments. Then we will do a test order if you are using other payment gateway. So let's start with Shopify Payment. Go to Settings. Here you can see Payments. Here you can see Shopify Payment. Test mode is on. Click on Manage. Here we need to enable this test mode. As you can see, you can place test orders, but no real transactions will be processed. After that, go to Store. Here you can see, click on Add to Cart. Then click on Checkout. First name Abdul, last name Vice. To process the payment, type testing Shopify Payments and go to the first link. Here you can see simulate successful transactions. Name on card, enter at least 2 words. Name on card, we can type any 2 words. Expire date, enter any date in the future. The same security code, enter any 4 digits to test American Express and enter 3 digits to test all other cards. 1, 2, 3 as you can see. Now enter card number. Here you can see card type Visa. In the same way you can test all other cards as well. I am testing Visa card. Copy this code and paste it here. You can simulate successful transactions as well and also check failed transactions as well by entering these test card numbers. You can try different card numbers to simulate failed transactions as well, but we are testing order to simulate successful transactions. After that, click on Pay Now. As you can see, confirmation, your order is confirmed. Now if we go to Shopify dashboard, here you can see orders. As you can see here, this is the test order. Now if you are using other payment gateway, we can also do a test order as well. Go to settings, click on payments, click on manage, and then click on manage payment methods. We need to first deactivate Shopify Payments. Click on see all other providers. Here you can see for testing, click on Bogus Gateway and we need to enable it, and after that we need to activate it. Now we are using other payment gateway rather than Shopify Payments. Click on manage. Here you can see Bogus Gateway is meant for testing. Shopify will not charge your transaction fees. You can use the following code in place of the credit card number when checking out. To test order, we need to follow this. 1 to simulate an approved transaction, 2 to simulate declined transaction, 3 to simulate gateway failure. Enter 1. 29, 1, 2, 3, and then click on Pay Now. As you can see, your order is confirmed. Now we have placed a test order by using other payment gateway. Go to orders. Here you can see this is the order. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my LinkedIn profile or send me a message to an email mentioned in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.